This is not going to automatically clear your dandruff. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Susan. I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. I create beauty, natural hair and lifestyle content, and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So if this is the kind of content you like, please do well to subscribe, join the family, click on the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. So let's get right into today's video. Okay, in today's video I'm going to be talking about dandruff. Yes, dandruff. I'm very sure that someone watching me now has experienced or is currently experiencing dandruff. So if you want to know the best way to prevent it, a very good and potent remedy to get rid of it completely, then keep on watching. Dandruff is a common scalp condition that causes the skin on the scalp to flake. Yes, like snowflakes. You know when you do your hair like this, something is falling off. You do it like this, something is falling off. That's dandruff. And dandruff is also very itchy. Some people say itchy scalp is different from dandruff. But personally, I feel if you have itchy scalp, you are most likely to get dandruff. So check it out. Causes of dandruff: dirty scalp caused by product buildup. So you have leave-in conditioner, oils, gels, head control, and you have not washed your hair in 2 to 3 weeks or a month. You are making space for dandruff, which is not right. A common cause of dandruff is a fungus called Melissia. What's Melissia? Melissia is a fungus that commonly lives on your hair scalp and feeds on oil from your hair follicles or hair strands. So when you have excess oil on your hair strands now, this fungus is going to be excited and happy to feed on this oil. Now, depending on how sensitive your scalp is, this process might be too much for your scalp, and your scalp immune might decide to react to it. That causes production of excess skin cells, which in turn turns to dandruff. Do you understand? Common ways to prevent dandruff is using an anti-dandruff shampoo. Personally, I always use an anti-dandruff shampoo because my scalp is sensitive and I'm prone to dandruff. So in order to keep my scalp immune balanced, because the fungus feeding on the scalp causes the scalp immune to be imbalanced. That's when you have excess production of skin cells that turn to dandruff. So to keep my scalp always balanced, I use an anti-dandruff shampoo regularly. So I advise you do that. So don't wait till when you have dandruff before you use an anti-dandruff shampoo. Now I'm here to give a very good home remedy that will help you keep your dandruff in check and very, very far away from your scalp. Yes, this is the apple cider vinegar. This is a very, very potent hair remedy for dandruff. It can also help you get rid of lice. Yes, if you have hair lice, this thing will help you get rid of hair lice. If you want me to do a detailed video showing you how you can get rid of hair lice with this and one other ingredient that you can find anywhere around your house, just leave a comment in the comment section and I will record that video for you guys. So this is the apple cider vinegar. I advise that when getting this one, you get the one with the mother. You get the one with the mother. There are so many brands out there, but personally I like this one, the brag brand. This apple cider vinegar is going to do wonders for your hair scalp. It's going to balance your hair scalp pH, prevent dandruff, itchy scalp. It's going to make sure that there's a balance in the oil on your hair strands to prevent the fungus reaction. It's also going to leave your hair shiny. Yes, this is going to leave your hair shiny. So there are various ways you can use this. You can use this when you have braids on, and all you just need to do is get a spray bottle, add 1 part of the apple cider vinegar into the spray bottle and 2 parts water. Please do not use this alone. It stings, and if you scratched your scalp for long and you now have injuries, this is going to just make it so painful, and you don't want that. I don't think I want that for anybody. That feeling is not good. So make sure you mix this with water. Then if you are on braids, all you just need to do is spray it on your scalp, directly to your scalp, once a week or twice a week, depending on how the situation is. And trust me, you are going to see a clean scalp. The dandruff will run away. Your scalp will be clean. It helps to tone the scalp. That is what this does. It helps to tone the scalp. So your scalp is going to be clean and free from excess oil that will cause dandruff. Yes. You can also use this as a hair rinse. Now this is for people who have their hair out like me. I have my hair in a sleek bun. So if I want to use this after washing, after shampooing my hair, doing my deep conditioning and rinsing my hair, I'll go ahead to use this apple cider vinegar. Yes, I'm going to mix it with water. I'm not going to use it like this. So I'll go ahead to spray my scalp generously and spray my hair strands. Now this is going to help tone my hair strands to balance the oil on my hair strands and leave it shiny. Yes, it's also going to help close in your hair cuticles a bit, so the oil production is slower. Yes, the oil production from your hair strands is slower, and you won't have the whole fungus reaction that will now cause dandruff. This apple cider vinegar should be one of your home remedies that you should have in your stash of home remedies, if that makes sense. You should have apple cider vinegar. It's very good. It has great benefits. You can do your research and you find out that this works for a lot of things aside dandruff that I'm talking about. You should check it out. So the bad thing about this, it's not really bad, I won't call it bad, is that it smells really off, like very off. So personally, I will advise, if you can't stand the smell, like you don't want to be going out smelling like something else, I don't know how to describe it, or something else, please do the hair rinse at night. Spray your scalp at night so that the next morning the whole smell must have gone down and you won't be smelling funny or funky. But this will definitely help you get rid of your dandruff. Now, disclaimer, this is not going to automatically clear your dandruff. It's not something you do once and you forget about it. If you do it once and you go back to having unhealthy hair routine, your hair continues to be oily almost all the time, your hair is always dirty, you are going to make room for dandruff, and dandruff will come. So to keep this is just going to keep your dandruff in check and very far away from you, because most times our hair needs oil. Most times we have product buildup from gel and edge controls and other hair products. So that's why it's good to have this. You do a hair rinse, you do this apple cider rinse once you wash your hair. That keeps your hair, scalp and follicles balanced. Okay, this is not something you do once in a year and you expect your hair to be free from dandruff. No, it should be part of your routine at least once a month. Then whenever you have braids, you do it once a week in between your braids, because we know getting braids come with edge controls, oil, and your hair is just going to be in one place. You can't wash it well, but this will help you tone your scalp while it's in your braids and get rid of excess oil and keep your scalp balanced. I hope you guys understand me clearly. So guys, I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you will no longer be embarrassed or disgraced by dandruff. I hope you will not be scared to get braids, because I know most times The thoughts of dandruff prevents us from getting braids, but because it's like when you get knotless braid or that very fine stitch braid that has gel and edge control, you just automatically think dandruff is going to appear. Now, this remedy that I have shared is going to keep you safe from dandruff while you confidently rock your stitch braids or your knotless braids. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it helpful, and I hope that it's going to be something you will try out and incorporate in your hair routine. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, click on the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post new videos like these, good hair tips and beauty tips. And I will see you in my next one. Bye guys. Mwah.